Another coin, another day. Alright, let's open another bot on Telegram. So this one is called Dropee. Its TGE is in Q1 of 2025. So this bot is a little bit interesting in so many different ways. So for starters, you have your home. Again, click to farm, nothing unique. Then you have the ability to improve cards, which gives you more of the Dropee coin. As you can see, you can upgrade it by spending the coins. Then you have the spin and reward, and they added the ability to hold to spin, just long press, and it will continue to spin 10 times until it reaches beyond or below 10. Now the thing is, Dropee does give you a high amount scenario directly, so that's actually good. As you can see, it's still spinning, collecting for us. Now it's going into the 15, big win, plus 220 million, 22, big win. All right, now we're down to the last 10 spins. We're gonna spin them by hand. Now the scenario of it, or of the spinning wheel on Dropee, is simply to get the USDT, or to get the Dropee coin, pretty much. If you get enough of the spin USDT, you'll be able to withdraw it if you get enough of the amount needed. But that's kind of the scenario that the spinning scenario gives you. Then you have your daily check-in. If you checked in daily and you can play the ad to actually earn more of the Dropee coin, it accumulates and increases until it reaches 1 billion. Then of course you have your normal quests, poke one friend, spin the wheel, question of the day, and so on. It's holistically overall good to actually start using it. And you have different things, including skins, including popular things you can purchase, 50 days, your entry ticket wise, and so on. Now we're actually waiting for the TGE, and you have the settings in the tutorial. If you do not understand, you need to connect your wallet, and that's it. Just let it accumulate daily, and when the TGE happens and your wallet that's connected, it should give you directly the Dropee new listed token or coin, pretty much. You can also invite your friends, and you receive from referred friends Dropee coins. You can also poke them. Let's poke. Now we poke them. Let's go back to the quests, and let's claim the poke one friend 90 million. Alright guys, if you're looking actually for another Telegram bot, this is one you should actually consider starting on, because the TGE is already coming anyway. So why not? Maybe collect a little bit of Dropee, you never know. And I think it's going to follow like the scenario where a high number of the coin equals to currency. So it's not going to be using like ton, 1 ton, 2 tons. It's going to be using a high number just to achieve some USDT. Alright, let's move into our next Telegram bot. OG Community or OGC bot. Now this one is very different than the rest of the other bots you might have seen. They listed themselves first, and after they listed themselves, they started their bot on Telegram. Funny way of starting it. First, let me list myself, and then everyone can go use my bot, start farming, which is very interesting. And it does give you the option to view the token or the cryptocurrency being listed. Something went wrong, I'm not sure why, maybe because I'm recording, but the main point is it's already listed. You need to connect your wallet, of course, and of course there's the dailies, the partner app, the quests that you can do, and you need to wait until they actually decide to do an airdrop. The good thing about it, aside from of course you can invite your friends, gain that referral good coins, is you don't really need to do anything. It just gives you 250 points once per day. And if you wanted to increase it, you can do some of the one time and the dailies, and that's it. Wait until they drop or do an airdrop pretty much, and you're good to go. Now in terms of connecting your wallet, if you go to that letter on the top, you'll be able to see your email, and then you'll be able to add the exchange UID, add your wallets, link your social media, and you're good to go. You just need to collect it, grab it, and wait until they do the TGE or the airdrop. Other than this, let's actually go and have a look at the OG on BitGet. All right. Now we're on BitGet and we can see OGC USDT. You can see the current price. It's in the game FI, so 0.001. Let's imagine we're going to be doing a trade-in. And let's imagine we want to buy 1,000. All right, so the 1,000 will be equivalent to 1.32. Now, based on the amounts we can actually accumulate until the airdrop, let's say 12,000 with the quests and different things, 15 USDT, and its price range when an airdrop happens should increase and then decrease and then increase again. Let's look at the candles. Then let's click on more and let's go into 1 month. So 0.04 and now it's at 0.001. So it does increase, and if we look at the 24-hour volume, 18.18 million, and the 24 hours turnover, 24K. Now I'm looking at 1 week in the historical data. Okay, 0.04, 0.0093, and 0.001. So it's actually up currently. Interesting. Buy and sell, more people are selling currently, so that's okay because the price increased. All right, so it's still something good, and if you want more data related to OGC, you can always go into the OGC information on BitGet. As you can see, different details, different announcements, different insights, different data. And as always, all links are going to be in the description. For this one, it started by listing itself, and now it has its bot, and you can work on it until they do their first airdrop. They haven't done it yet. All right, let's move into our next Telegram bot. PI Network. If you haven't heard of this, now you will. All right, so the official launch is going to be on March 31st. All right, all you need to do is log in daily, claim your earnings of the Pi, do your check-in, and you're good to go. Come back and on another day. Now the scenario here is it does rely on the teams, does rely on a sort of trust circle where you need to invite others, create a team, and that will pretty much increase the PI mining for you and your team, which is good, not bad, and they have different rankings, Pioneer, and so on. Now the thing is, the PI, when it actually gets listed, it's a good project. That's number one. Number two, for the current price of the conversion of the amounts that you see on the screen, 114K 464, you can see that the price is 0. And then a 4032 USDT because it's not listed yet. You can still sell it actually and take the USDT by withdrawing it directly, but the transaction fees and other things are heavy, so you shouldn't do that. You should actually keep it and try to invite members to actually increase your trust circle and hash or mining rate. Pretty much you can see the working hours, 24 hours, mining speed, and so on. Now the thing is, you can actually with your friends just create a team, total number of teams, total promotion commission, total team recharge, total team withdrawals. By having more teams, you'll be at different levels together. We can do it together and mine faster. Since it's going to be launched on the 31st of March, there isn't that much time since we're in February. Do give it a try. Maybe you like it, maybe you don't. My recommendation is at least mine or farm solo. And as always, links are in the description. All right, let's move into our next Telegram bot. Foreverland bot. The Foreverland bot project is very unique and different than any other project or bot on Telegram. This one pretty much mines for you different cryptocurrency tokens from different AIs. Yes, look at that. It's mining all of these at the same time and giving you a spit of the mining amount. It will carry on until it reaches the maximum that's supposed to be mining. And of course, there is going to be an airdrop. You can bind your account. You can collect the forever land token, let's call it that at this stage. And because it's mining different things, you're actually benefiting more than actually just mining one thing or using one application. So it's mining Capybara, which is good. It's mining Star AI, Opie. It's also mining it, and it's supposed to carry on mining until it reaches the 5 million, supposedly. Now, if we actually wanted to know how much did it mine and all of that, we'll actually need to go into the details. Hold on for a second. Okay, found it. By the way, there is the daily login speeding up your booster scenario. If you click on here specifically, you can see how forever points have been mined, the earning rate, and the mining balance. Capybara, AI layer, Star AI, BitPlay, Deep Link, Kilo EX, Pi, and LSP Finance. The thing that benefits us from all of this, it's multiple airdrops, multiple standalone bots or actually projects, and at the same time it's being mined in one go for you on one application while you're already mining the forever points. So that does offer an advantage that's very different. Same time as usual, you have the ability to invite, earn 5 points for every invite, 5%. And you of course have the staking, you can stake, you have the tools, you have the earn, you have the quests as usual. As you can see, it can increase your mining or farming speed. Tool wise, you can purchase capacity cards and so on. Is it a good project? Yeah, you can use it for free if you want, invite some members, and also you have the option to explore and go steal from other players, let's call it that, and then you move into the next land, steal a little bit of their forever land token, and then move into the next. Daily you can do this 5 times, and then the last one. Amazing. Now we've stolen a little bit of coins from other players. So all we need to do is actually activate it, come back a couple of times per day, claim it like I did at the beginning of the video, and you're good to go. Is it something good, worth attempting? Yes, because at least you'll be getting multiple tokens at the same time. And if you click here more, you can see it's been mining. Let's assume that's actually mining, and it's giving you the token simply all in one place. The AI layer, you can see, completing the tasks and the mining started. All right, let's move into our next Telegram bot. Surprise, it's cats. Yeah, I wanted to do a reference back to the application related to the cats because they did change a number of things where it's now a little bit more convenient, if we're gonna be calling that. At the same time, cats is already actually listed, even if the token is poop-wise level. In any case, you have the avatar where you can upload an image of a nice looking cat. It will give you cat points for that. You can craft, which is pretty much your daily login. And they give you a fair amount of cats daily across your duration of 1 month. Then, of course, you have the quest to increase the cats. Now, let's go and look at how much cats actually cost. And cry me a river of tears. As you can see, it's beyond killed. Let's imagine, for instance, you survived until you got the 1 million. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that. 1 USD for 1 million. Now, the thing I would say about cats is they do have a strong, solid community. So eventually the price should go up. So if it's easy to get a high amount of it and you hoard it pretty much and wait until the amount increases, then you might actually have a chance at making a better profit range, at least. Let's assume you survived and waited until it crossed to the to something better. I know it looks terrible. I know. 0.0002. Let's imagine you survived until you actually got to that. You'll at least get 20 USD without doing anything. Consider it something on the side, but don't spend too much time doing anything related to cats at this time. Just log in daily, collect it, leave it to accumulate, and then when they do an airdrop, just take it, leave it in your account, and when the price actually gets a little bit higher, sell it for extra cash. Something on the side, passive, nothing meaningful, honestly. All right, let's move into our next Telegram bot. This one is called FoxCoin. The TGE is coming, believe it or not, and it's a surprise. So now they're entering into the pre-sale. Now, FoxCoin is an interesting concept of there are missions. They give you two values for those missions. You get the first one, right, which is the FoxCoin, and you get another one which is just some type of coin. Now there is going to be an airdrop and you can pretty much withdraw, and it's showing you exactly the FoxCoins amount you have. So actually if you start actually doing all the quests, you'll be good to go. Let's do our daily check-in. We already did it. And then let's do the free spin. One free spin per day. The thing I would advise related to this is the airdrop is already coming. It's starting to calculate. So joining it now and actually trying to fulfill the quests. There is a specific number of quests that still remain. And looking at the wallet, inviting actually does give you something. Now let's try to actually look into how much FoxCoin can reach. Now, if we see that the sales unit is at 40575, let's assume with the best quotation, we're going to have to calculate this and assume that is going to skip at least another 3 zeros after being listed, so 0.01. Let's go and do our calculation. By the way, this is actually very simple, where you actually, all you need to do is either play games and you'll get the FoxCoin or diamonds, and do the earning quests, the daily quests, sorry. Invite if you want, or do the pre-sale so you get an upper advantage better than other cryptocurrency enthusiasts. And that's it. All you need to do is either play the game, do the quests, collect a little bit chunk of the remaining FoxCoins, and you can see your expected airdrop, so you don't actually need to worry about that. Join the channel and then connect your Tone wallet. Wait until the airdrop happens because it's coming, and you're good to go. Just log in daily during the remaining amount. At least you'll get something out of it for the FoxCoin. Now let's go and do our calculation, and this is actually our last bot for today. Alright, 0.01, and then let's assume we survived with the 500 at least. So at least we're looking at 5 USDT. Now if the price increased to 0.1, and then times the 500, assuming we're gonna get that, it would be 50 USDT. Now in terms of the duration and how long remains until they do their airdrop and the amounts that can be accumulated during the remaining period of time, it's a short task duration, short commitment to actually log in daily, which can pay off at least something. So yeah, fast direction, fast approach, and we'd be good to go. Alright guys, thank you again for tuning into one of these videos. We're going to be carrying on and moving a little bit away from the bots, and then looking into the exchanges, the earn products, and different details related to how you can earn money, not just keep playing with the bots, and that's the best we can do. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in. All links are in the description as always. And